Jai Jagannath friends, welcome to Jobs World channel. I wish you are all safe at home and keep studying. So if you are new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for daily current affairs and job alerts. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 2nd May 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. Troy Sneed, who passed away recently, was a renowned singer. Question number 2. Preeti Sudan, who is in news recently, is the secretary of which union ministry? So she is the secretary of the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Question number 3. Which country is the largest holder of the US government securities as per recent data of US Treasury Department? So it is Japan. So what is the rank of India? India rank is 13. Question number 4. Which state has arranged a special train for the movement of the migrant workers to Hatia, Jharkhand? So it is launched by Telangana. Some GK related to Telangana. Telangana capital is Hyderabad. KC Rao is its CM and governor is Tamilisai Soundarajan. Question number 4. The Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation region's growth is expected to decrease how much percentage in 2020? So it is 2.7%. So APEC, that is Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation, headquarter present in Queenstown, Singapore. Its chairman is Muhyiddin Yassin. Question number 6. Which country has lost the hosting rights of the Men's World Boxing Championship 2021? So it is lost by India. So who is going to host? The host country is Serbia. So why India lost? India lost because of it failed to pay the hosting fee. Question number 7. Which state has launched a unique initiative called Umba Re Anganwadi, that is doorstep Anganwadi, to reach out children during the lockdown? So it is launched by Gujarat government. Some GK related to Gujarat. Gujarat capital is Gandhinagar. Its CM is Vijay Rupani and governor is Acharya Devavrat. So what is this scheme? Under this scheme, the government not only ensured the nutritious food to the children but also ensure the overall development. Question number 8. Deepak Agrawal, who has been banned by the ICC, is the owner of which cricket franchise? So he is the owner of Sindhis. So it is one team of the T10 league, which is a 10 over format cricket league in UAE. Some GK related to ICC, International Cricket Council. So its headquarters present in Dubai, UAE. Its chairman is Shashank Manohar and CEO is Manu Shaune. Question number 9. The Asian Development Bank has approved a USD 346 million loan to Indian government to provide reliable power connection in rural areas of which state? So it is in Maharashtra. Some GK related to Maharashtra. Maharashtra capital is Mumbai. Uddhav Thackeray is its CM and governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Some GK related to ADB. Asian Development Bank headquarters present in Manila, Philippines, and its president is Masatsugu Asakawa. Question number 10. International Jazz Day is observed globally on which date? So it is on 30 April. So it is celebrated by UNESCO. So UNESCO full form is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Its headquarters present in Paris, France, and Audrey Alzoe is its head. Question number 11. The New Development Bank pledges to allocate up to how much billion dollar for loans to BRICS state to boost their economics? So it is 15 billion US dollar. Some GK to NDB, that is New Development Bank. Its headquarters present in Shanghai, China, and its president is KV Kamnath. So BRICS stands for Brazil, Russia, China and South Africa. So the chairmanship of 2020 BRICS is by Russia. Question number 12. The 11th session of Petersburg Climate Dialogue was hosted by which country? So it is hosted by Germany. And the co-hosted country is United Kingdom. Some secret to Germany. Germany capital is Berlin and its currency is Euro. From the Indian side, our Union Minister for Environment Prakash Javadekar is attended the meeting by video conferencing. Question number 13. Which of the following institute has developed a microwave sanitizer named Atulya to disintegrate COVID-19? So it is by Defense Institute of Advanced Technology, Pune. So what this microwave will do? It will disintegrate the virus in the range of 56 to 60 degree. Question number 14. Who has been appointed as an advisory of Google Pay? So her name is Shikha Sharma. Question number 15. The India Meteorological Department IMD has released a new list with the name of how many tropical cyclones that are likely to emerge over the North Indian Ocean. So it is 169. Question number 16. Which country has supported Australia's demand for an international investigation into the origins of coronavirus outbreak? So it is supported by United States of America. So according to them, and many believe that it is originated from Wuhan, China. So they want an international investigation into the origins. Question number 17. Ayushman Bharat Divas is celebrated across the country every year on which date? So it is on 30 April every year, and it was started on 30 April 2018. Question number 18. When is the Maharashtra and Gujarat Day celebrated? So it is celebrated on 1st May. Question number 19. Chunni Goswami passed away. He was related to which of the following sports? So he was a footballer, and he was the member of the gold medal winning Indian football team of Jakarta Asiad in 1962. Question number 20. A doctor from which of the following states has been conferred as the Order of Rising Sun by the Japan government? So it is from Manipur. So why the Order of Rising is given for? It is given for the better understanding between India and Japan. Some GK related to Manipur. Manipur capital is Imphal. Its CM is N. Viren Singh and governor is Najma Heptullah. Question number 21. Which of the following has developed a face shield that will be handed over to the police for trial? So it is developed by IIT Jammu. Question number 22. Which of the following has the J&K government signed an MOU for setting up 2 centers for invention, innovation, incubation and training, that is CIITS in Jammu and Kashmir? So it is by Tata Technologies Limited. So Tata Technology Limited headquarters present in Pune, and it was founded on 1989. Question number 23. Which of the following has partnered with Meru for delivering groceries and essential items during the lockdown? So it is by Flipkart. So Flipkart headquarters present in Bengaluru, and Kalyan Krishnamurthy is its CEO. Question number 24. When is the International Workers' Day celebrated each year? So it is 1st May. Question number 25. Which of the following has got approval to conduct clinical trials with antiviral drug Favipiravir. So it is by Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited. Question number 26. Which of the following has become the first station in the country that has installed a foot operated sanitizer machine outside its station? So it is by Hazrat Nizamuddin, and it is done by RPF. Question number 27. Hema Barali passed away. She was related to which field? She was a freedom fighter. Question number 28. Who among the following has launched schemes, ideas, innovation and research portal, that is ideas.msme.government.in on MSMEs? So it is by our Nitin Gadkari. Question number 29. Who has launched Ayu Raksha, that is Karuna se Jang Dir Police ke Sang? So it is launched by SN Srivastav. So he is the Delhi Police Commissioner. So it is a joint initiative by Delhi Police and All India Institute of Ayurveda. Last question of the day. Where did Sikkim CM Prem Singh Tamang launched the www.Sikkim Government Feed Organization portal? So it is at Gangtok. And who is the governor? Governor is Ganga Prasad. So the answer of the yesterday question is International Women's Day is celebrated on 8th March each year. So today question is, when is the National Women's Day of India celebrated? So write down the answer in the comment box, and I will attach this PDF in the description. You can go and download it from there. So thanks for your time. Stay safe at home and keep studying in the lockdown 3.0. Thank you, and do not forget to subscribe the channel.